As a global leader in sales and technical innovation of polyaspartic polyurethane materials, what makes Feiyang Protech's production base stand out? The production base, Zhuhai Feiyang Novel Materials Corporation Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Feiyang Protech, is located in the National Chemical Industry Park of Zhuhai Gaolan Port, covering an area of 60,000 square meters. It is a modern, intelligent, eco-friendly, and highly efficient chemical plant specializing in the research and production of polyaspartic resins, curing agents, and functional chemicals. The site features the Feiyang Innovation Center, a 3,600 square meter integrated facility that combines R&D laboratories, pilot-scale expansion, process development, precision testing, and a digital exhibition hall. The center establishes a full-chain R&D system covering raw materials, synthesis, application, scenario simulation, providing comprehensive support for Feiyang's continuous innovation and technical breakthroughs in polyaspartic materials, resin, specialty chemicals, coatings, and pilot production. The pilot workshop, with a scale of 2,500 square meters, is equipped with complete pilot-scale systems ranging from 200 liters to 6,000 liters, serving as a crucial bridge from laboratory research to industrial production and enabling rapid commercialization of new products. The upgraded intelligent resin production workshop has achieved full process automation from raw material feeding to reaction and final packaging, greatly enhancing process controllability and production consistency. The annual production capacity of polyaspartic resin exceeds 40,000 tons. Zhuhai Feiyang Novel Materials Corporation Limited is also recognized as a national torture program, as National Key Support Program Enterprise by China's Ministry of Science and Technology, as well as the Guangdong Provincial Engineering Technology Research Center and the Zhuhai Key Enterprise Technology Center. All products are protected by independent intellectual property rights.